Charlie, and that's Sally over there. You'll see her soon enough. We are Vanishing Nomads from New York. Actually, New York is home base, but we travel for full-time travelers. So, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the bus. The bus is called Max. The back porch we had added on. A gentleman had another bus like this at a junkyard. Took from the rear behind the wheels here and added on. We added on a 4x6 deck. As you can see, it's somewhat set up now. I'm a DJ. We do DJ and karaoke while we're on the road. And this is our porch. Depends on where you park it. If you put it next to a lake, it's a dock, so you can fish off of it. And we have, what did I say, 930 watts of solar on the top. And we have a adjoining trailer that we pull behind that has another 310. It's on a separate system. And we got my zombie lights I haven't hooked up yet. The rack on top is aluminum, and it's a bolt together aluminum instead of a weld together aluminum for maintenance purposes when we're on the road. Everybody seems to really like the idea of what we did with the screens. We just bought screen kits from Home Depot, Walmart, Lowe's, and just made them, popped them in there with a little wing nuts so you can actually take them out to clean them. Other than that, let's go inside and take a look. There's Sally. Say hi, Sally.
Hi.
A lot of ideas I've gotten off of off of YouTube and stuff. This is the entrance. Obviously, the front is just basic. I built one of these off the top of an old sewing machine, which really kind of works neat. This here, you know, swivels out and does this, and then all comes apart and slides down in there. So there's an extra table for that. Regular dorm fridge, just 110, and fridge and freezer. With the solar that we have, seems to work really good. Surveillance cameras are 24/7 on there, and it comes on the TV. Our solar thing here. We'll come down here, we'll put the cookies away. Anyway, condiments, plates, things of that nature. Cooking stuff in an old, Victorian dresser that Sally had. She covered it with pennies. It doesn't look like there's a lot, but it works really good. It works for us good. Mm-hmm. Over here is a composting toilet. And what's neat about the composting toilet that I saw, it's not finished yet, obviously, but what I saw on YouTube, which we did, I put double doors in these so you can actually link them together and have more privacy room. Eventually, because the composting toilet comes out with just 2 bolts, I'm going to rig up a pan in there that we have a shower. The hot water system that we have is on the outside, on the opposite side I'll show you. It's a tankless water heater. And we have just a regular pan that we use for sinks, for the sink up here, and it comes through here. And its hot water tank is on the outside. And then back here is couch living room area. These cushions come out, fold down into the middle to make a full-size bed for nighttime. And then we have Sally's must is a 40-inch TV. And we've allocated 2 sides to, these 2 sides here are basically 2.5, 3 weeks worth of clothes here, and then the same for her here, and then this is the pantry, and up here. And then what we are doing while we're here at the build, these are going to be added to this as a lock, so we're getting rid of these. It's basic, but what we like about it is the fact that because Sally's handicapped, we have a small area for her to walk in, which is
Right.
good. You got 2 steps from the bathroom to the bedroom to the kitchen. It's just like basically 6 steps total from one end to the other to the bus, which is good. 5'8" pushes me just about to the max. Right about where I'm at is 5'8".
I'm 5'9", so I'm banging my head.
Yeah, so you're bound
That's
just a little
unusual
bit.
for buses.
And Sally's shorter, so it doesn't bother her, and that's it. And we have odd and end. The only thing that's really bad about this that I can say is we didn't plan for a lot of storage. That's why underneath the beds are all storage. You flip up and underneath there has all storage there. And then we did all this, these type of, baskets and stuff like that. We redid the top. This came from Canada, where it was built. Very, very good on the insulation.
Right.
When I cut and I put the max air vent in, I saw there was it was crammed full of insulation. So we didn't insulate at all. I insulated the bottom half of the walls and did not do the floor. I just put Luan over the top of it and put linoleum over it, and it works great.
Yep.
And so there was no need for, a lot of insulation purposes and like that. So we just kind of started over it. We didn't want to paint, so we went ahead and put the steampunk style roof on. And then we've got all these covers and everything, basically a steampunk. This here is on the outside of the curtains, and this is on the inside of the curtains. So it worked out kind of like a blackout, which really worked out good.
Well, very nice. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.